after initiation Diksha, if he did not get this Siddha, that means he don't know who am I, what I have to do, where I have to go, like this. The who am I, he don't know, that means Diksha is not complete.
So we can write part 3, Diksha part 3, Siddhadeha. So it is a part of the Diksha.
Yeah.
Initial,
Yeah.
essential part. Sambandha is also
अच्छा दीक्षा का 3 पार्ट है.
The 3 part of Diksha.
देखिए मंत्र
Mantra 1,
प्लस अर्चना
Archana,
है प्लस स्मरण.
Smaran.
अच्छा
3 part.
स्मरण का पार्ट ही है सिद्ध देह ये प्रणाली.
Smaran part is Siddha Pranali.
Siddhadeha. Without Siddha you can't do Smarana.
Not.
अच्छा
you cannot
ये
do Smaran.
नवविधा भक्ति का ही तो हो गया बीज.
Yeah, this is the seed of Navda Bhakti.
So Sambandha means
Part of,
Siddhadeha.
yeah.
Sambandha means Siddhadeha.
Siddhadeha.
अच्छा सिद्ध देह ये ट्री,
Siddhadeha is tree, like tree.
इसमें सब कुछ है.
Everything is there in tree. Leaves are there, fruits are there, everything is there in tree. Siddhadeha. So Siddhadeha means everything.
अच्छा वर्तमान समय में
In present,
कुछ विभ्रांति पैदा हुई. वो विभ्रांति है एक तो सब अधिकारी नहीं, ये एक दुराग्रह, सबके सम्मुख में सब कहना सुनना उचित नहीं, और भजन करते करते आगे चल करके सिद्ध देव का स्फुरन होगा. ये सब है कुजुक्ति.
actually he's
अच्छा
saying,
इसका कारण क्या? जिनके पास ये है नहीं वो खंडन करने के लिए ये सब इधर उधर के कुजुक्ति रूपी दीवार को खड़ा करते.
actually he is saying in present the illusion is creating. Somebody says that you are not able for
Qualified
Diksha,
for
you are
Siddhadeha,
not
not
qualified
qualified
for
for
Siddhadeha. You are not qualified to do bhajan for this thing. That means they are creating wall, and they are not, they don't, those are saying this thing only, those don't have this thing. That's why this is kuchal means this is shadyantra or whatever, this is wrong thing, this is not coming from the scripture, this is, they are creating new things.
अच्छा
This is not
our Siddhanta.
अच्छा लोभ किस प्रकार से आएगा?
how the law will come.
जैसे यहाँ मानी है,
We have money here.
इसका ज्ञान होगा तभी तो हाथ इधर जाएगा.
When we will know that we have money in this, after that we can put our hand there.
जैसे यहाँ कोई जुएल पड़ा हुआ है डस्टबिन में, ये ज्ञान होगा तभी तो डस्ट को इधर उधर करेगा.
If any jewelry is anybody put the jewelry in dustbin and we don't know there is jewelry, if we will know there is jewelry, then after that we will take from the dustbin, we will check where is jewelry. If we don't know here is jewelry, so we cannot take.
अच्छा लोभ का कारण क्या? ज्ञान.
The reason of love is gyan,
नॉलेज. अच्छा नॉलेज का कारण क्या? श्रवण.
and the reason of knowledge is Shravan.
तो वही आया नवदा भक्ति का पहले हुई श्रवण.
The first part of Navda Bhakti is
श्रवण.
Then Lokha is coming after Shravan.
And
then
love is coming,
qualification
and
is
this
there.
qualification is there.
That's it.
ये सरल है मार्ग, लेकिन नाउ क्रिटिकल क्यों हुआ? बोले ये कुजुक्ति आके.
Now it is critical. Yeah, this is Kuyukti. Kuyukti means this is you can understand. Kuyukti means politics. This is politics. This is politics.
Yes. But now we want to clarify what is Shastra saying, not politics. What is Shastra saying? Shastra saying that why we put this article together.
शास्त्र सर्वोपरि.
Rajniti or politics. This is not the proper.
अच्छा शास्त्र सर्वोपरि.
Shas is first. You understand? So
शास्त्र सर्वोपरि. शास्त्र मीन्स ये लॉ.
Shas means law.
है. तो इसीलिए शास्त्रों में जो कुछ लिखा हुआ है नतमस्तक में मैं उसको पालन करने के लिए विवश हूँ। इस भावना की नाम है श्रद्धा।
Whatever written in scripture, I have to accept that thing. I bow down and I pay obeisance to the scripture, and whatever written in scripture I have to follow, I have to do. I am bounded for this.
ये इसका नाम है श्रद्धा।
This is the Shraddha. If anybody think like this, that this is he has a strong faith in scripture.
अच्छा, शास्त्र ही गुरु है।
Shastra is Guru.
शास्त्र इज गॉड।
Shastra is God.
शास्त्र सर्वोपरि।
Shastra is Sarvopari. Shastra is first.
Main.
सुप्रीम पावर कौन है?
Yeah, supreme.
Highest
तो कृष्ण
authority.
Higher authority.
हायर अथॉरिटी श्री कृष्ण इज शास्त्र।
Yeah, higher authority. Krishna is Shastra.
Alright. Clear?
और शास्त्र का निचोड़ है क्या? उपासना।
And Shastra, the juice of scripture is Upasana.
So this, we can release this article. We are planning to release this article to widely for devotees.
या बुक्स
Books are distributing, printing is going on. Publishing going on, but here is collection of all the evidence of Siddhanta, that which level low and Guru gives, the Diksha is necessary, that Siddhadeha gives. So now we have some also verbal support to this, and then we
तो
can.
पैरेंट क्या ये सब कर रहे हैं, आगे भी कोई ऐसी कोई बात आती है, कोई प्रश्न का उत्तर चाहिए तो हम सपोर्ट।
बेफिकर ऑलवेज 24 आवर्स रेडी। जो भजन मीन्स क्या? भजन मीन्स श्रवण कीर्तन।
भजन में श्रवण कीजिए। आई एम रेडी फॉर 24 hours.
श्रवण
श्रवण
कीर्तन।
कीर्तन
और थिंकिंग चैंटिंग इनसाइट।
क्या इनसाइट, थिंकिंग चैंटिंग इनसाइट।
श्रवण कीर्तन इनसाइट थिंकिंग चैंटिंग।
And between the Shravan Kirtan is thinking chanting. This is Shravan, this is Kirtan, and between is
अच्छा,
thinking chanting, meditation.
श्रवण कीर्तन नहीं है तो थिंकिंग चैंटिंग क्या हो गया? वैसे ट्रूथ नहीं है।
If
How come?
we don't have Shravan Kirtan, that means we don't have these lips. We don't have lips. So how can we speak or
देखो ये ट्रूथ है ना, श्रवण कीर्तन।
truths are Shravan Kirtan.
और ये
This is
चैंटिंग रीडिंग।
chanting.
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 And Shravan Kirtan means only from Shastras,
Yeah.
not from this.
Yeah, not from
माइंड
this.
लगाने से होगा नहीं।
No trust to this.
Not that.
क्यों ये जो
This is
नॉलेज है
policy or this is politics. I am not.
Mind
think
is
Shravan
politics.
Kirtan.
माई नॉलेज,
In my knowledge,
ये मटेरियल।
this is material.
और शास्त्र जो कहते हैं स्पिरिचुअल।
Yeah. What is say Shastra scripture? The spiritual.
शास्त्र ही श्री कृष्ण है।
Shastra is Krishna.
अच्छा, श्री कृष्ण का वचन ही श्री कृष्ण।
Shri Krishna's voice is Shri Krishna.
गुरुदेव ओनली डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर।
Gurudev only distributor. Not he don't. Gurudev don't
Don't
mix
produce
anything.
new knowledge.
जैसे
Just
trader-
Don't produce new
Pass the
knowledge.
knowledge.
Yeah.
जैसे ट्रेडर कहते ना, एजेंट कहते, ट्रेडर कहते।
Like traders.
trader.
Yeah.
Take and
Take and
give.
give. Like Gurudev.
Not add anything.
इसलिए
If anybody is editing, then this is
इसलिए
mixing.
रिप्रेजेंटेटिव कहा गया।
That's why Guru is representative.
मूल तो श्री कृष्ण।
Mool is Krishna.
Understanding.
All understand. We will translate also to Russian language.
वेस्टर्न कंट्री डिसाइपल्स में और नाउ इंडियन डिसाइपल्स में एक डिस्टेंस है। नाउ इंडियन डिसाइपल्स समझने, स्टडी करने इत्यादि में उत्साह ही नहीं है।
Actually, this is a difference in Indian disciples or this is foreigner disciples. The Indian disciples or Indian devotee, they don't want to understand.
वो now sleeping.
They sleep. Indian disciples they sleep.
इंडियन डिसाइपल्स जो है
They are not eager to understand.
अच्छा, इंडियन डिसाइपल्स में ये समस्या पैदा हो रहा है, वो मानी के पीछे भाग रहा है।
This is creating problem. Actually, in Indian disciples, that he is running to man and money, respect, and who is respectable. This only he check this thing,
और बॉडी शुक।
and body
Bodhisattva.
seva.
लेकिन वेस्टर्न कंट्री डिसाइपल्स में
Indian
ये
disciples,
वो लोग डेप्थ में जाना चाहते हैं, जानना चाहते हैं।
they want to go in depth, and they want to know the what is the thing.
अच्छा, इंडियन डिसाइपल्स क्या करते हैं, भजन को लेफ्ट साइड में रख दिया।
And Indian disciples do take bhajan and they put the left side.
Not all, some.
Some
99.9।
99.9. Not all some.
इसीलिए अब देखिए ना, शास्त्र स्टडी में आसन में बैठ करके जो चांट करे, थिंक चांट, ये सब का अधिकारी वर्तमान समय में विरल होता जा रहा है।
It is very rare who can chant in same asana, or who can study in one place. He is sitting one place and continuously is studying, and he is chanting in one place continuously. This is very rare now.
Nishtha.
Yeah,
Nishtha is rare.
Always
wandering here and there.
Mind.
और ये जो भजन है ना,
And this is bhajan.
ये जो भजन है, ये आसन का always
This
sit down
bhajan,
होके,
this bhajan of asan bhajan actually. Who sit on a single one asan and he
जैसे चांट।
To see that they are going.
अच्छा, सिद्ध देह गोइंग मीन्स मैं पाने के लिए, इस भाव पाने के लिए, ये सेवा पाने के लिए मैं लालायित हूँ।
Siddhade means this bhav or this Siddhade. I want to eager to get this Siddhade. I want to eager. He's meditating or he's thinking.
अच्छा, ये शरीर को,
much eager.
ये शरीर को हम जितना भूलेंगे, ये जगत को, वो मटेरियल वर्ल्ड को एवं मटेरियल बॉडी को, इसको भूल के, इसको खो के, इसको छोड़ के, संपूर्णतया माइंड को यहाँ से निकाल करके वहाँ दे करके माइंड से काम करवाना है। ये एक प्रक्रिया।
This is the channel. And that's after forgetting this body, we have to do seva by our mind, and we have to focus on this God or Siddhate. We have to focus. This is the channel.
अच्छा, सबसे पहले क्या, सेवा करने का संकल्प हो।
First of all, we have to think, or we have to get sankalpa, or we have to decide, or we have to think this thing. If we have to do this thing, this is sankalpa.
जैसे हम
The devotee should they have
Make
sankalpa.
up their mind.
Yeah, make up their
Focus.
mind. Yeah, exactly. Exactly.
Siddhade.
Yeah,
जब मैं महाप्रभु जी का सेवा करूंगा,
I have to do. I have to serve the Mahaprabhu. This
इस
is the
प्रकार एक
sankalpa.
संकल्प।
Yeah, this is the what exactly you told.
Yes.
Yeah, make up
Make up
mind.
mind and
Yeah, make up
focus
mind.
on
Focus.
this.
Yeah.
जैसे मैं अब अमेरिका जाऊंगा, न्यूयॉर्क में उतर करके आप न्यूयॉर्क में वाशिंगटन में घूमूंगा।
The first,
Like a plane.
we plan that I will go to America, and first we will get down in Washington and dicing,
एक
and
एक
I will.
संकल्प होता है ना, एक चिंतन।
Yeah. So we will decide. We decide first.
तो इसी प्रकार
Like this.
महाप्रभु जी एवं श्री जी की सेवा करने के लिए मन में एक संकल्प विकल्प पैदा हो।
Same thing, like this, we have to decide first, or we have to focus our mind that on this thing, if we have to serve the Shriji or Mahaprabhu.
अच्छा
First, we have to decide inside.
अच्छा गुरु
Decide
प्रणाली
means we have to focus.
गुरु
make up
प्रणाली
mind.
is equal to passport
Guru Pranali means passport.
और प्रेम
प्रेम
is equal to visa
Prem is visa.
और
Because visa. And
प्रेम के साथ आरती उत्कंठा बेचैनी व्याकुलता क्राइंग यह है मानी।
And with Prem, Arti means kindness, eagerness, Utkanta means eagerness, and
love is
lobh.
is money.
Yeah, lobh. This is money.
Prem is visa.
तो तीन चाहिए, देखिए पासपोर्ट वीसा मानी।
Three things we want: passport, money, visa.
Golok citizenship.
Yeah, good
Passport,
citizenship.
Golok citizen. Passport है तो problem.
अच्छा बॉडी भी तो ठीक होना चाहिए, शरीर अगर अस्वस्थ हो गया
If we have,
मार गया.
yeah, we have to be care our body. If our body is not okay, so how can we do well? So we have to
Take care, but not
take
much.
care. Not much.
Just
अच्छा प्लेन फ्लाइट क्या है?
What is the flight?
मार्सी।
Mercy.
फ्लाइट इज मार्सी।
Flight is mercy.
the whole journey described.
इसीलिए भक्ति का प्रारंभ मार्सी से ही होता है।
That's why the starting of bhakti is mercy.
क्यों? गुरु इज इक्वल टू कृष्ण मार्सी,
Because Guru is equal to Krishna's mercy.
इसीलिए कहा जाता है कृष्ण कृपा श्री मूर्ति।
That's why it is status Krishna's Kripa Murti. Krishna Kripa Sri Murti. That's why stated in the description.
अच्छा कृष्ण इज सी
Krishna is sea
और गुरु कारुण्य घना घनत्व,
and
Mane-
Guru is Kanu Ghana. That means
मेघ
make
बादल।
badal or cloud.
ये डिस्टेंस कारुण्य घना घनत्व।
Kanu Ghana. Sansara Davana.
और मैं फायर में मैंने पजर रहा हूँ ऐसा जी।
I am burning in fire. I am soul. I am Jeev. I am burning in fire.
फायर मीन्स
And Guru is like cloud. Ghana Ghana.
अच्छा फायर मीन्स ये बॉडी एवं बॉडी का जो कुछ
Fire means this body, and bodies.
जो बॉडी चाहता है,
Whatever body.
Emotions, body emotions
Yeah,
is the
body,
fire.
yeah. Bodies mean whatever body want. These are the
Desire, that's the
everything.
fire.
ये दावानल है।
This is the only.
अरे इस मार्ग इतना सुंदर है, वेरी स्वीटनेस इस वे का है, समझने से ही मुक्ति हो जाती है।
This way is very sweet. By understanding only he is liberated. The by understanding only liberation is there.
क्यों एक बार जीव समझ लिया तो उनका दिल का जो अंधेरा है वो जग गया।
If only one time, if anybody understand this thing, then his heart's darkness is gone.
Become liberated.
इसीलिए शास्त्र।
That's why Shastra.
So we're trying to understand this.
अच्छा ये भजन रीडिंग का ऊपर प्रतिष्ठित है, ग्रंथ का ऊपर प्रतिष्ठित है, फाउंडेशन।
This bhajan is depend only on scriptures.
इसीलिए तो इतना भक्ति ग्रंथ।
That's why we have much devotional scriptures. क्या है कि अब फाइनल हो गया, हम इसको पूरा तैयार कर
आप प्रिंट कीजिए ना।
Read and distribute. So
आया प्रचार में सब अधिकारी है।
In preaching, everyone is eligible.
here we describe also Lila Smarana, that is necessary लीला स्मरण very necessary.
अच्छा देखिए, ये जो लीला स्मरण टेक्चर है ना, जो लीला स्मरण पूर्वजों ने इनको हरिनाम के द्वारा ढक के रखा। तो साधारण तो ये कुछ समझेगा नहीं। नाम संकीर्तन सब समझते, लेकिन लीला तो साधारण जो बहिर्मुख व्यक्ति है वो लीला तो समझते नहीं, स्मरण भी समझते नहीं। उनको तो इसीलिए ये साधन अदीक्षित के समीप में खोलने का विषय नहीं।
He is saying our acharyas or our purvajas, they covered the Leela Smaran by the Harinam, Harinam Sankirtan, Shastra. They covered. Yeah, they covered by. For everyone.
ये फील्ड फंक्शन में कहने का विषय नहीं।
And this is not the subject to say in field function. In field for everyone.
In open.
Openly.
This is secret matter.
Yeah, this is secret matter.
ये जैसे मंत्र सीक्रेट मैटर,
Like मंत्र
जैसे गुरु प्रणाली सीक्रेट मैटर,
secret matter.
इसीलिए स्मरण भी सीक्रेट मैटर।
Smart also secret matter.
सिर्फ इंडिकेट किया जा सकता है।
Only we can indicate.
Okay,
This
indicate.
is the process.
Like we have here. So this is, do not neglect लीला स्मरण. स्मरताम दासतक
ना नेग्लेक्ट करने से तो अपराध हो जाएगा।
If you are neglecting, that means we are offender.
अपराध।
do not neglect.
If you are neglecting, that means we are offender.
अच्छा, ये कहना पड़ेगा जे
We have to say.
इनके लिए मैं अपने को प्रस्तुत कर रहा हूँ।
If anyone says I am not adhikari, that means he can say like this, yes, I am preparing for this. That is okay.
He can say,
Yeah, he can say.
for yours.
Yeah,
लेकिन
do
yes,
it.
तुम
but he cannot say I am
I
not
don't
adhikari.
want to do it.
अच्छा देखिए, तुम ऐसे कर दोगे, क्रश कर दोगे तो अपराध हो जाएगा।
If you are doing
Saying, I cannot do
cross,
it.
if you are crossing, that means this is offense.
अच्छा, जो व्यक्ति अपने को अनधिकारी समझते हैं, ये मैं अनधिकारी हूँ, निश्चित वो अधिकार किस प्रकार से प्राप्त किया जाता है वो भी समझते हैं। वह उचित है कि मैं किस प्रकार से अधिकार
If he
प्राप्त
has
करूँ।
sense to understand this thing, that I am not eligible, that means he have to sense to understand what is the way of this, what is the way of this bhajan. He has sense. If he has sense this thing that I am not eligible, then he has sense. He can understand this thing also. What is the process of bhajan? He can understand.
If he said, I'm not eligible, he do not understand the process. He's saying, I'm not eligible.
अच्छा,
Everyone is eligible.
Everyone will, this is different. He is saying like this. If anybody is he is thinking or he is saying, I cannot, I am not eligible, that means he has sense. He can understand this thing. If anybody can understand this thing, I am not eligible, then he has the brain. He can understand this thing also. That what is the process of bhajan? He can understand this thing also.
Understand the process.
Yeah. And he has the brain. He can
अच्छा,
understand
इस
this.
मार्ग में तो सभी अनधिकारी है।
In this field,
Everyone
everyone
is
is
qualified for that.
everyone is not qualified. If say because everyone is not on that platform.
দন্যতার দ্বারা অনেকে বলতে পারে মানে অযোগ্য, কিন্তু বস্তুত তিনি যোগ্য ব্যক্তি।
Once somebody receives Siddhadeha, he is qualified, he can do it.
देखिए, अधिकार एक दिन में आता नहीं।
We cannot get eligibility on one day.
लेकिन अधिकार लाभ करने के लिए ऑलवेज प्रयास।
But getting right, getting the right, we have to try.
Trying.
Yeah, every time.
इसीलिए अधिकार एवं अनधिकार ये दो शब्द ट्राई का ऊपर निर्भर है।
And right or
qualified or not qualified?
Qualified or not qualified is depend only on try.
अगर तुम ट्राई करोगे
If you will try,
तो क्वालिफाइड हो जाओगे,
you will be qualified.
अगर तुमने सो गया ट्राई किया ही नहीं।
If you are sleeping, you are not trying, then you are not
अच्छा,
qualified.
मानी में अगर कोई पोर मैन कहे पैसे में मेरा अधिकार है नहीं,
If any poor man is saying, I don't have, I am not eligible for money,
Same thing. Yeah.
you work,
you work.
Okay.
इसलिए इनको साधन भक्ति कहलाया।
That's why for those people, sadhan bhakti.
Very happy with conversation and answers. How to devotees to understand this matter. Many questions was rising for these years, and we try to explain.
या समस्त क्वेश्चंस का उत्तर आंसर गोस्वामी पादों ने अपने ग्रंथों में दे चुके हैं।
Our Goswamis has given all questions answered in their scriptures.
But we need to collect them
Yeah. मैं कह रहे थे हमें इकट्ठा करने की जरूरत है लेकिन सबको
because so
तो
many.
ये इकट्ठा करना भी एक भजन है।
this is also bhajan. If you are collecting these, this is also bhajan.
तो माइंड को लगाना ही भजन है।
That mind means you are focusing on that these questions, and you are focusing. Your mind is totally focused on the scriptures or the smaran, everything. This is also bhajan.
इसीलिए कहा गया अथात ब्रह्म जिज्ञासा।
That's why it is stated अथातो ब्रह्म जिज्ञासा.
कहा गया ना,
हाँ.
भगवत विषय जिज्ञासा ही भजन है।
About the Krishna subject, this is bhajan.
Radhe Radhe.
Your faithfully